Smart affiliate marketing tips and tricks for new marketers. In these hard times, many people are searching for a way to make some extra cash. Affiliate marketing is definitely a realistic source of money, and from the comforts of your own home. This video contains good advice to help you build a successful, profitable affiliate site. When placing affiliate marketing links on your blog page, consider using the advertising hotspots. These include the top left corner of your site, the end of your posts, and even contextual links in your posts. The easier it is for people to find and click on your affiliate links, the more money you will earn. You can use past customers to draw in new ones by giving a bonus for referring new users to the service. Your old customers will love the chance to get deals and will do your advertising work for you. Their friends will trust a recommendation of a close friend more than an ad, and they'll be much more likely to shop at your store. Find an affiliate site that offers real-time statistics so you will be able to see how well the promotions that you are running are doing. You will be able to see the number of visitors have made their way to their site from yours, how many purchases were made, the number of sub-affiliates and your total sales monthly. If you are giving a particular affiliate a large amount of business, take some time and see if you can increase your commissions with them. A lot of companies will be willing to discuss an increase, if they see that they are getting a lot of traffic from you. Along with all the other options to account for with an affiliate marketing program, look at how ad placement affects your revenue. Certain ad positions on your site, and even on individual pages, will garner more visitor interest than others. If you track the results you get from individual positions, you can fit the most profitable ads to the most visible placements, boosting your revenue. If you plan on being successful with affiliate marketing, you must promote a product that is unique. You will have far better results promoting a unique product over one that is not unique, because a unique product is one that not many other affiliates will have. Therefore, you will have an edge on those other affiliates. An affiliate website operator should have a written contract with the retailer to avoid any misunderstanding at a later time. The contract should describe all sides of their dealings, included but not limited to, the services the affiliate website provides, the way of referring customers and the compensation method, revenue sharing, cost per action or cost per click. An affiliate site is not just a quick fix for your financial woes. It's an investment of time and effort, and if you put the effort in, it can become a valuable asset. Be determined, and schedule time to try out some of these suggestions. You can make affiliate marketing work for you. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped, buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.